Having the money is crucial. So being able to talk to people with money and tell them about deals is great. So as a co-sponsor, I want you to learn to pitch as if it was your deal, your stuff you're gonna do. But you will see how much easier it is when you're pitching my own stuff that you can participate in. Because I already have the machine, I already have the people. I pay $1 million in payroll per year between the office in Orlando, between the team here, and you saw my lawyer yesterday, my accountant will be here, my Airbnb lady, and California office for the fund, etc. So I have the infrastructure. How am I able to afford it? Because I got the buildings. Because you can only work so hard. So how do people do it? They flip properties first, get money, then they get properties that produce income, and then if they're obsessed about money, they'll keep doing the same thing. I'm not. I'm obsessed about the game. I want the game to grow. And the more you give, the more you get.